Dairy Cooling Solutions provides milk cooling technology to improve efficiency and milk quality. The solution also offers compliance with new milk cooling regulations. Let's meet Cameron Berry, an East Waikato dairy farmer, to find out how the solution is working.
Dairy Cooling Solutions gave us opportunity to put in the ice bank. The ice bank builds up ice between the two milkings, and in doing that with the one chiller unit, not increased our expense on power at all. We've been able to milk our cows a little bit later in the mornings than what we've had in the past. We've had milk tankers that pull in at 7:15, 7:30, and that's allowed compliance. Temperature's been the same. Milk at this stage is going into the vats at 4.5 degrees, but it just makes it easier on our staff. With our local rep, Centigrade, it's just been incredible. Paul came out, went through a number of options, what was our best for us, came out with this program here. The backup service is incredible. They're available 7 days a week, 24 hours, which is also amplified by the dairy companies. Yeah, I think you can't go past the local person to use your product. A number of people have called in and had a look at the plant and the program. I reckon it's just an amazing system. There's, I think, a number of other versions out there or cheaper options that I don't think will be cheaper in the long run. I think this is a very good backup, a good name.